Hello everyone, for this next part of the course we're going to be working with the Microbit, and in order to program the Microbit we need to either use a laptop or an app on a phone or an iPad or an Android device, but using a laptop would be a little bit handier if you have one at your disposal. So what we want to do is we want to look for it's actually designed by BBC. Under this popping up Microbit. Okay. Now you'll just go down here and you'll see microbit.org, right? And we want to make code. That's what we want. Now you can actually download an app for this. You can download a kind of a screen version of this. So, but this is what your home screen should look like when you're in the right page. And we're going to be using this for the next while. And I've done a video for the how to download it on a phone as well, so I'll just go through the same here, right? So there's loads of tutorials and all on how to program it, and you don't actually need a physical one in your hand in order to program this and get a bit of a feeling for how to do it. So there's loads of videos and everything on this, right? So what we're going to be using mainly is just going into a new project, and I'm going to test 2 there, because you can see behind I have test 1. So if I just create a new program here, now the difference between the app version on your phone and this is, on the app version you can't see the actual names of these menus. This is all your menus here. On your left hand side then you have this basically an animation of your Microbit. So we're going to just, if I start off with basic here, I can grab the first one here, and if I put it in, just chuck it in there, right? And if I select select the same as I did on the other video, if I select this, click on the screen, over here on the left then, you'll notice that pops up with whatever I have, right? So I can do it a few more, automatically it'll pop up there as well. So you can very quickly generate different objects. You know, you can come along here and throw a number in there then. So if I put in a number there, I put in 5 again, so give that a second, so it shows that image, then it shows that. Okay, change it then as well. If I put in a bigger number, you'll notice that it'll have to scroll across, because obviously 5 won't fit in it. You know, so if I do that again. Okay, so that's what we're more or less going to be using. And you'll see as we go along, there's a music one, and there's more advanced ones when we come along to program motors and things like that. So this is what we're going to be working on for the time being. As I said to you, you don't actually need a physical Microbit in your hand to program it, and you won't be anyway, because you have to program it first, and you can come along and switch different switches and different things as well on the screen before you actually download it to the actual Microbit. So it's very important that we know how to program it on the computer or on your app in your phone or your tablet, and then only then do we download it to the actual Microbit. So that's it for the time being. So please check out that website, and we'll take it from there.